Sir, are we cancelling the 2 digits, sir? Here, not 3 digits.
Two only, because we are finding square root, no? That's why. In cube root, we are ignoring last three
So for
digits.
any number, we have to only cancel 2 digits, sir.
Like last
for
two,
finding square.
correct,
Okay.
correct. Square root 2, square root cube, square root 2 will ignore last two values, last two digits, and for cube root will ignore last three values. Correct. Right. So we got this now ending with 4. 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. So 2 and 8 will come and will ignore last two values and will focus on 51, the remaining value. So 51 will be 7 because 7 square is 49 less than 51. So 7 is fixed. Now we have to choose from 2 and 8. So we'll multiply the 7 with next value 8. It is 56. 56 and we have to compare with 51. 51 is less than 56. Less means less 2. Out of this 2, 8, which one is lower value, lesser value? 2. 72 is the value. Correct. By this method, we can try for any this now finding the square root of any property square. See, next number is suppose 5041 is the value. Let's share this one.
Sir, I'm getting 71.
Yes, sir, 71.
71. 71.
71.
Correct. Drishi.
71, sir.
Tanvi.
Yes, sir, it's 71, sir.
Everyone 7. Correct. This 7. 1 means two options we have, 1 and 9. And we'll ignore last two values. We'll focus on 50. 50 means 7. So we'll take any one, so we'll multiply with next value 8. That is 56. Less 50, less than 56. So we'll take lesser value, that is 71. Correct. So in 3-5 seconds, we can solve by this method. Fifth one. One two nine six. 1296 is the value.
36, sir. 36.
Okay. See,
Yeah, sir.
36.
Yes, sir,
Everyone is
36.
everyone is getting 36. Okay. See, so ending with 6. So this will be two options, 4 and 6. 4 4 is 16 and 6 is 36. And we'll ignore last two values because we're finding square root. For cube root, we ignore last three values. Last 3 digits. 12 will focus on 12 is 3 because 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 16 more than 12. So we'll take 3. And for finding 4 6, what is the method here?
34.
See,
34 or 36, it can be
See.
both. No, sir.
we'll multiply with 4. Next value, that is 12. Now in this case, now it is very matching with the 12. So this is the exceptional case. This is exception because in only this case now, you can put a star mark. Only in this case, this will match. This will match means which option we have to check. For this one, we can choose any one, but this is actually 36 square. Because see, now how we can try this one, because this is exceptional case for square root, because in this case only this one 12 is exactly matching with this one, so we can choose any one, but actual value is 36. So how we can test and how we can verify the 34 is not there? And suppose anyone takes 34, somebody told me 34 also, suppose we have 34, so how we can check and verify? Because this is exceptional case, because in this one 12 is matching. So we can find 34 square by our shortcut method. You know, 4 4 16 6 carry 1, 12 12 24 125 carry 2 9 9 to 11 1156 means wrong, means 36 will be the answer. If you find for 36, then we'll get 1296. 36 also you can solve by shortcut method. Anyone we can take and we can solve by shortcut method. 6 6 36 6 carry 3 18 cross 18 18 36 36 3 39 9 again carry 3 9 3 12 1296. Correct. This method we know. So we can take anyone 34 and 36 and we can verify by this now square method. We know this trick. So quickly we can say in within 30 seconds 1156. That means from that means 36. So otherwise we can remember also, because this is one exceptional case for this method 36, because in this case one will be same. So we can anyone we can check 34 and we can take 34 36, but we can verify also. 34 if we take 12, 4 4 is 16, 6 carry 1, 12, 12, 24, 1, 25, 5, carry 2 now, 3 is 9 to 11, 11 and 5, 6 is coming. It's not equal to 1 to 96, so square root will be 36, and for 36 it is coming 1 to 96, 6, 6, 36 is carry 3, 18, 18, 36, 3, 39, carry 3, 9, 3, 12, correct. So you got the understanding. 36 is the exception. For this now we can remember also 36 square is 1296. 36 square is 1296. Sorry, 1296 is the 36 square. Now the next question. Next one is 9604. 9604. You have to find
Sir,
which one? Which is the value?
98.
Sir,
I got
I'm
it.
with 98.
98. Okay.
So 98.
Right. See, ending with 4. So this 4 will come with 2 and 8 because 2 2 are 4, 8 2 are 64. We'll ignore last two values because we are finding square root. For cube root, we ignore last 3 digits. 96 will focus on. So this will be 99 because 9 9 is 81 is no less than 96. 10 square is 100. No, so 9 is fixed. Will for finding this now between choosing between 2 and 8, we'll multiply with higher value. Next higher value 10, 90. 90, this is more. Always you have to check this one. 96 more, we'll take more value. That is 98. Right. 98 is the right answer. Right. Everyone is having correct answer. Now, 7th number. Suppose we value 151. This was 4-digit number. Now we have 5-digit number. 15129. 15129, but same method, same step.
Sir, got it 123.
Okay,
Sir,
123. Everyone is getting 123. Last,
Yeah.
30 seconds. Okay. One 23. Ashul, Ananya, Pratusha, good. Then we
Sir, can you show how you did this?
see 9 is there. So 9 will have ending with 3 1, 3 because 3 square is 9. No other value square is 7 also comes also 7 will also come because 3 1 to 10 we can remember 1 square and 1 2 4 3 9 4 16 5 25 6 36 7 49. 9 will end with 7 also. 7 can also come 3 and then 8 64 and 9 81 10 100. So 3 or 7. Now ignore last two values and we'll focus on remaining 3 digits. One always we have to ignore last two values and then we will focus on remaining values. 151. That is 12. So 12 square is 144. That is less than 151. So 13 if you take 13 square is 116. That is more than 151. So we will take 12 equal or less than this value. So 12 square 144 good. Now we will multiply 12 with next value because we have to choose between 3 and 7. 12 will multiply with 13. So 12 13 are 156. And for multiplying 12 with 13, we can use our shortcut method. 6, then cross 5 and 1, 156. 156, always you have to check this one. This is less than 156. Less means less. That is 123. We'll take lesser value. That is 123. Got it? Or once again I will explain. Understood?
Yes, I got it.
Same method every time.
Was for it.
Right. Actually, properly we have to solve. Same method is there, but solving is important in getting the right answer. Next question is 141.61.
So it's 119.
Okay, first rule. Please try this also. 30 seconds more. Good steer. Rishi. Chanchal. Chanchal, 1 second, please try. Because answer is 119. Pratibha. Correct. Pratusha, 1 second, try. How you get 113? Because ending with 1. So this will have 1's place 1 or 9. Because 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So ending with 1 means 109 will come. And we ignore last two values. We'll focus on 141. 12 square is 144. So we'll take 11 because 11 square is less than 141. And for deciding between 1 and 9, we'll multiply 11 with 12. 11, 12 shortcut, we know 1, we can write 2, and then we can write 3, addition of 1, 2 in middle. 132, we'll see this value. More, we write more, we'll select more also. That is 119, will be the answer. Please note the solution. Correct Pratusha this time, 119. Then we also write. So anyone having doubt, then please write in chat IDK or directly ask me.
I'm having no doubt, sir.
Good. Same process every time you have to do to get the answer. It's very similar to finding the cube root. Next question we'll see. Ninth one. Simple one. 6, 7, 2, 4.
82, sir. 82.
82. Okay. Good. Anyone having other answer than this 84, 82?
Sir, I'm getting 88.
88. Okay. No problem. See, 4 is there, so ending with 4, 2 will can come and 8 can come. These two are possible cases. And then we'll ignore last two values. We'll focus on 67 means 8. 8 is 64. 9 will be more, so we'll take 8. Now higher side will multiply with 9 to check to take values from
Yeah,
72. So this is less, no? 67 is less. So less will take 82. Got it? Always we have to check this one, 67. This square root value is remaining value of this number 6724. Less we will write 70 is less than 72. We'll take lesser value, that is 2. Options are there, 2 and 8. We'll take 2. Let's say it's very important to write here also more less so that we get the complete understanding. Because after few days, if you revise now, then you're not able to understand what was the proper method. So this is basically two-step method. First, we'll write this much, and then we'll select any one of these values based on this value. We'll multiply 8 with higher value, 9, 72. Then we'll check 67 with 72 less, we'll take lesser value. That is 2, we'll select between 2 and 8. Fine. Correct, 82 is the right answer. Rashul, Ananya, Diksha, Steve. Steve, please make the correction right. 70. 82 is the right answer.
Okay, sir.
Right now. Next question, 10th number. Here we have the value 3, 2, 0, 4, 1 square root. 3, 2, 0, 4, 1 square root.
It's little confusing. Sir, I got it as 179.
Okay. Others can also try.
179.
179. Okay, good. Because we need to know the squares also. See, when you are understanding or when you are doing shortcut methods you are studying, so table is 1 to 20 is must and recommended is till 1 to 30. Then square value from 1 to 20 must, recommended 1 to 30, and cube 1 to 10 must, recommended 1 to 15 at least. 1 to 30, 1 to 30, and 1 to 15 cube value. So this will be helpful in this one doing this one calculation first. Now we have this 1 to ending with 1, it can be or 9 because 9 square is 81, 1 square is 1. Now we'll ignore these two values and we'll focus on 320. So 320 basically will be this now 17 is 289, 18 is 324. So 18 is 324, just more than 320. We'll take 17, and between this 1 and 9, we'll choose anyone based on multiplication with 18 of 17. So 17, 18 will multiply by shortcut method. So 8, 7, 56, 6 carry 5, 7, 8, 15, 5, 20, 0 carry 2, and 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 306, 306. It is more than 306. We write more, we'll choose more value. That is 179 is the value. Because 17 was fixed. So we have to choose between 1 and 9. 179 is the right value. Correct. Or say now one more trick we can have here. One more thing we can do. Say suppose 7, say 1 we got 1 and 9 we have to choose any one. And last we will ignore last two values because we are finding square root. And for cube root we'll ignore last three values. Last three digits we can say. And remaining value is 320. So 324 is 18 square. And 320 will be less than 18 square, that is 17 square we can have. And then 19 square is 361, that is even more higher value than 320. We'll take 17 here, no problem. So see, 17 is fixed. We have two options, 1 and 9. See, one option will give 171, other option will give 179. What is the option, other method to choose from 171, 179? See, near to this 170, 171, we have 170. So 170 square we can write. This will be 28900. That is one also option. 179 near value is 180. So 180 square will be 32400. So which is more nearer to this value? Which is more nearer to this value? 32041, and here we have 32400. Here we have 28900. Which is nearer? This value is nearer value than this one, 32041. So value will be 171, 179, 171 not. We can take near values also 179, and this value will check. Suppose if you take 1, then value will be 171. So 171 square, you are writing 32041. So we'll take near value 170. 170 square root 28900, and near to this 179 will be 180. 180 square root 32400. 32400 will be very near to this value. So that means 179 will be the answer. This all option also you can choose. Got it? This method. Any one option you can choose to decide between 1 and 9. Next one. Correct. So 179 Chanchal is the right answer. And Sarah, Steve, everyone having correct answer. Correct. Next question. See, 18769. 18769 is the value.
$137.
Fine. Others, please try. 137, no problem. We'll wait for another 30 seconds so that all students can solve this question. Right, Diksha, Sarah, answer is correct. Roshan also right answer. Pratusha correct. Everyone is having right. Pratibha also got the answer. Chanchal also correct. Good. Last 10 seconds.
Sir, I have a doubt about square root of large numbers like 8-digit numbers.
See, for
I
8
am
digit,
giving
8-digit number, same method. See, same method we have to do, but this will be time taking process. So normally in question, in same like cube root also we have seen 6-7 digit is the, we can say maximum value
like
class in
for
examination.
example, you get sorry, 99980
80.
and then 001.
That same method we have to choose. See, first we'll solve this one question. First we'll solve this question, then we'll see that question also. The same method we have to apply, but normally they don't ask such big numbers. 5, 6, 7 digit are fine because this two. Normally this answer will be in 2-digit number. Like say here also we had this 179. We also we can say higher number. In examination normally we have 2 to 3-digit number. This square root will have number between 2-digit or 3-digit number. In earlier cases we've seen 56 or 98 was 2-digit number. Here we have seen 179. What is the 137 is the value? Okay, we'll see this question. Ananya also correct, Sanjay also right answer. See, 9 is coming, so this basically 3 can come, and then we have 7 because 7 square is also 14. We remove these two values. 187. 187 means basically 13 169, 14 197. So we'll take 13 because 13 is 169, and 13 we have to see which option we have to check. So one number can be possible, 133 and 137. So 133 will have near value 130. 130 square will be 16900, and near value is 140. 140 square will have 19600. Better than this option, we can multiply with 14. Next value 13 is fixed, and this will be 182. 182 is having less value, or we can say this is more. We'll check. We'll choose more option. That is 7. That means answer will 137. Here also, if you see carefully in doing this now, near value 140, 140 square 19600, 19600 will be near to this value, then 16900. So 140 is near to this 137. Will have the answer because 19600 is more closer to 18769. Or we can multiply also with simple method. 4 3 12 2 carry 1, 7 1 8, and 1 1 1. You know the shortcut method of multiplication. So please we'll see 1 2 question last. See, next one is 5 4 7 5 6. 5 4 7 5 6 value we have to find.
234.
Okay. And
Sir, did you get my answer? It's 234.
234 is the right answer. Ashish also got 234. Then Ananya, Diksha, correct. Roshan, Steve, right. Everyone giving right answer. So 6 is there. So number ending with 6. So 4 can come and then 6. These are the two options we have. We'll ignore last two values and we'll focus on 547. 547 is, we can say 20 is 400, 21 441, 22 484, 23 529, 24 576. We will get 23 will take 23 will fix because 23 square is 529 is less than this one 547, and then we have to check. We will choose 4 and 6. So we'll multiply this 23 with 24. So this will be 12 to carry 1 cross multiplication. Then 8 and 6 14 115 carry 1 5 552. So this 552 will be more and this will be less. We'll take less value, that is 4. So answer will be 234. Or this is the one method. And second method, we can write directly 234 and 236. So it is same here means 4 is here, not it is less than 5. 234 will be near to 230. 230 square will be 52900. And near to this 6 more than 5, so this will be 240. 240 square will be 57600, which is nearer to 54700, 529. 547 56 is near to 52900. We'll choose 230. We'll choose 234. This is also one method we can try. So 234 will be the right answer. Right. Last question, because one question was for practice. So this was first question. I have finding the cube and second square root here. First one was simple case 576. So we'll see one, two, last question, last two questions. Because till now 20 we know by memory also. 13th number, 7, last two questions, 7, 7, 8, 41.
Sir, it's 279.
Okay. Good. 279 is the value. 77841. Everyone got the answer? Ananya correct, Mohammed right, Steve also correct, Darshan, Ashish right answer. So see, one is here, one can come and 9 because 1 square is 1, 9 square is also 81. We know last two values, we'll focus on 778. So 778, so we'll see 27 square is 729 and what is square of 28? 784. No? 784 is the square of 28. So we'll choose 27 because 27 square is 729 less than 778. 27 is fixed in this one, tens and 100 place. So for choosing 1 and 9, we will take this value which is nearer to this one because this will be see. Otherwise, we can multiply with next value 28, no problem. 8, 7, 56, 6, carry 5, cross 16, and then 40, 35, 35, carry 3, 2, 2, 0, 4, 3, 7, 756. So this is more, and 756, more value, that is 279. And also carry the 5 here. Also, second method also we can try. What is second method? We write 271 and 279 because any one of these where 27 is fixed, 1 or 9, any one can be value. 271 will be near to 270. 270 square we can write, that is 729 00, and 279 is near to 280. 280 square we can write 784 00. That is also one good option. So 729 00 is very far. 784 is very near to 778. So this will be, we'll choose 9. Yes, 279 will be the answer. 279 will be the answer. Correct. Or any one of the options you can choose. For selecting 1 and 9. Last one. So remaining questions, some are any difficult question we'll see in 8 digit or 7 digit in our next session. So last one we can try. But normally these are not basically passing competitive examination because in competitive examination in this 30 seconds you have to try. 30, hardly 1 minute. So the question, they will set question such a question can be solved by some tricks. 120409. You have to find square root.
347.
Okay. Please try this also. $347, right? Diksha, Ananya. Ananya answer is 347. Tushar Tanzila, correct. 347 will come. Right. See, 9 is there, so 9 will come 3 or 7. These are the two options. We'll ignore last two values because we are finding square root. For cube root, we'll ignore last three values. 1204 will focus on. So 1204. So 40 square is this one. 40 square is 1600. And we have to see 1204 will be less than which square. So 33, it will be near about 33 or 34. So if you see 33 square, you know the shortcut method. 9, then 9 and 18, 8 carry 1, 1089. That is a little bit less. You can try for 34, 16, 6 carry 1, and 12, 12, 24. 24, 1, 25 carry 2. 3, 3 or 9. See. 16, 6 carry 1, and 12, 12, 24, 1.5 carry 2, 9, 2, 11, 1, 1, 5, 6. 34 will come because ending with 5, no. 35 square, we know by shortcut. 5, 5, 25, and 3, 4, 12, means 24. 1, 2, 2, 5 only we can say because 35 square is 1, 2, 2, 5. So less than 35, that will be 34 is fixed. And for choosing between 3 and 7, we can try this multiply with 35 to get the value of 3 and 7. So same cross multiplication method. 20, 0, carry 2, cross, 2 is the carry. 15, 12, 27 to 29, carry 2, 11, 1190. So 1190 is, actually this is more. So we have to check, we will choose more value, that is 347. 347 will be the answer, correct. Both the methods we can apply. Here also, if you want, because 34 is fixed, so two options we have either to choose 3 or 7. So one will have 343, one will have 347. So 343 is near to 340. So 340 square we write 34 square is 1256 00, and 347 is near to 350. So 350 square we know 5525, and 3 4 are 12 00. So which is near value 1204 will be near to this 1225, because 1204 is near to 1225, 1256 is very far away. So near value 347. The proper answer will be 347. Correct. Right. So now the solution, those who have any doubt, they can share it for next 5 minutes, and others can end the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I will
sir.
share this PDF on this Google Classroom. From there you can download.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Prashna.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sarah. Any doubt, Rashful, Diksha?
Sir, can you hear me?
I'm able to hear you.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have I have something to say. My weekly test is starting. So, first 3 chapters are coming. The school will be taking the test, and it will be of 50 marks.
Okay.
So, my summer vacation is from 20th May. So before that, they'll take a test, and then we will have our summer vacation in school.
Okay.
So we are going to have a test of first 3 chapters in maths, and is it possible to have a separate class for
Separate,
maths?
okay. That's okay. See, when is your exam first? First thing. When is your exam?
Sir, actually the dates are not decided, but it's before 20th May.
Okay. See, 20th May. So we have just started April. So no problem. See, we will see, because now polynomials we are doing, right?
Yeah, yes.
Polynomials we will complete in next 2-3 sessions. The last topic is only remaining. After that, we will
Oh.
start real numbers.
Okay, sir.
Then first chapter, real number is the first chapter basically. Then third chapter is linear equation in 2 variables. All the 3 chapters will be completed. April month we have no issue, because I was thinking in April month we will have an exam. Polynomials is already completed. This is second chapter in your book, and these 2 chapters will easily complete in April month. And try
Okay,
to solve all the examples and exercise questions of polynomial
Yes.
chapter. And this is download.
Yes.
You can download PDF from this Google Classroom for all the make
Yes.
proper folder and go through those questions, and then try to solve these questions from your book.
Okay, sir.
Also in YouTube now recordings are available. So link I will share with you, and from that you can watch previous sessions recordings. In case any doubt, then you can ask me in the session.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
How do I set up my Topper account for the test tomorrow?
So tomorrow, we have you don't have access for this exam. See, topper link will be is given, no? And
Okay.
there you have to register, and that you can attempt the exam.
So I don't need to create anything right now.
No. Normally just go to this link that you can register. Like normal
Okay.
account, and then you can give your test. MCQs questions will be there. 20 questions, 1 hour time. 10 questions from maths, 10 questions from science, like chapter, and 1 hour time, sufficient time. Easily you can do. And
So sir,
immediately you will get the score. Yes,
all of them are MCQs?
MCQs, right?
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
For polynomials up to this, up to portion which we have completed, that portion only you can have. Means before this, division algorithm of polynomial is there. Page number this 30, page number 33. Division algorithm for polynomials. Before that, now you can revise all the questions up to exercise 2.2. Polynomial chapter
Okay,
up to exercise 2.2. And
Exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2 revision, right?
correct. That will only come in tomorrow test.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.